Hello Crafty family, it's Dee and I am coming to you today with another kiddie pool gardening video in my series. Now this video is week 2 and here we are getting ready to plant. So as you see here, these are photos from last week when we got our garden soil ready to go. We fertilized it and got it ready. Now if you missed that video, it'll be up in the right hand corner where you can click it, and I'll also put it in the description box below. So we are ready. We have 4 pools ready to go and we will be planting our plants. So are you guys ready? I know I am. So let's jump right in. So I headed to my local home improvement store and they have an abundance of new seedlings out. I was so excited to see these. They have everything you could possibly want and everything was really fresh. I just love the Bonnie brand and everything is ready to go. So I happened to pick up some yellow pear tomatoes, 2 of the Patio hybrid tomatoes, and I also picked up 3 of these yellow cherry tomatoes. They are delicious. I highly recommend those, and those are my favorites. And I also picked up some San Marizanos, which are a beefy Roma type tomato, which I really like. Onto the peppers, I picked up some sweet banana peppers. I picked up 2 bell pepper plants, and I also picked up this purple bell pepper plant. So these are the plants that I will be putting in my garden today. So here are all the pools ready to go. So this first pool will be housing my tomatoes. This one will be housing the 2 other tomatoes. Now this back one is going to be for zucchini, and this one I'll throw my bell peppers in. So I'm going to start with the tomato plants, and what I'm doing here is I am getting the seedlings nice and moist before I remove them from the containers, and I just take a handful of soil out and put that seedling inside that hole. So I'm putting 1 plant per bag. Now these get pretty big. They get about 5 feet tall, so you want to make sure you have adequate space. So 1 plant per bag is what I'm putting in here, and I'm putting everything in here but the hybrids. And here's everything good to go. We want to make sure we mound up that soil at the bottom so it can establish a nice firm rooting system. And we're going to go ahead and make sure that they're nice and compact in there so they will take well. And here are all the tomatoes. So the next pool, we are going to be watering down and getting our pepper plants nice and moist. So I'm just going to put 2 pepper plants per bag. So that'll work for these because these grow straight up, and I will stake them when they get a certain height, but I'm putting 2 of the bell pepper plants per bag in this case. And you see here they're nice and snug together, and they actually end up kind of supporting each other as they grow, which is great. Now when they get to a certain height, I will stake them, and I usually stake them with a bamboo stick. So but right now, since they're just seedlings, we're going to let them get rooted and established, and we will get those all set and ready to go later. But they're looking great. Now these bags back here will be for my Blue Lake bush beans that I have in the little seed pods right now. They haven't blossomed, but that will be what goes back there. Okay, on to the other front pool. I'm going to be planting the 2 hybrid tomato plants. Now these are a husky breed, so they'll only get a couple of feet tall, and usually they don't even require a cage. But since they're the husky brand, I wanted to keep those 2 together. So that is what I'll be planting in here, 1 per bag. And then back here, I'm going to put a couple zucchini, and I may take a 3rd bag and put that over there in the other pool for more beans, but I'm not sure. But this is where they sit right now. And what I'm doing right now is I'm going to go ahead and water everything in. So I'm just using a very light trickle. I don't want to disturb or break any of the branches off the seedlings. So I'm giving everything a light watering to just get it nice and established in the soil. Now again, that soil is nice and fertilized, perfect for those seedlings in there. Give them the nutrients that they need to establish a strong root system and get growing, so you can have some nice production for the fruits that will come later on. Now we'll be fertilizing these again down the line, probably in about a couple weeks, but we want to just get this nice and established first and get that going. And here are our yellow cherry, San Marizano, and yellow pear tomatoes. And here are our bell peppers, our green and purple bell peppers. And here are our husky patio tomatoes, ready to go. And here is everything I planted today. I'm so excited. You guys, the fruits will be here before you know it. Listen, if you love to garden or you're planning to garden, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you plan to plant. So thank you so much for checking this video out today. And if you like videos like these, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. I want to thank each and every one of you for checking out the video today, and be sure to check in next time where we'll plant more plants and check on our progress. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.